Hello and welcome. In today's video I will show you how to save favorite places on Google Maps. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it and search for any place. For example, I will go to that restaurant. I have just to click on the name of it. And after that, as you can see here in the list, there is like icon and option called save. So to save, you have just to click on it. And after that, you can choose in which list you want to put that place. For example, for me, I will put it on favorites. And after that, you have just to click on done and like that. And as we will see, when we go to favorite place and we go here, as you can see, we found that place here in the favorites list. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.